a lot of people joined, to contribute, to declare words yesterday, depending on how you feel. It was not selected, not planned, or anything as such. What I mean by not planned is that they would not say, okay, it must be so person that must come in. The link was out there in public. Anybody that wants to join can join. Why we did that is because we felt that it's good to do prayer like that, just to make sure things is the way you wish. Wish yourself good, declare something for yourself and for your people. Not to promote or elevate anybody, but to make sure that we pour our feelings the way you want. See, I don't want people to see it as a problem. But if you choose to pick on that, that's on you. That's entirely your business. I'm saying it because there's a video that I saw from Nwayi Ocha. That video has to do with where she was attacking that prayer. We are coming live today. I'm gonna come live today to do justice to that, because there's something that she said that I would like to reply her publicly, and I want you to be here with join us, or it's gonna be on our main platform. But I just want to use this opportunity to keep you on notice that we are going to stream live today. Okay, I'm gonna come live this evening. We do justice to that, and please join me when the time comes. Keep your eyes on our channel. Make sure you join us, because I have something to say, and I'm gonna explain things based on what she said and my own feeling about the whole thing. And I have to do justice to some of the claims that she made on that video. And to you, Nwayi Ocha in France, I'm not here to reply. I'm not replying you yet. But I just want to let you know that I've seen your video. I've seen what you said. I have played your video, and I have it already with me. So I'm going to reply you. So if you are her fan, if you are one of those that are calling her, let her know that we are going to come live to reply her. Okay. If you like good things, if you are a lover of freedom, you like peace, you hate injustice and killing going on in our land, please join us in that program. We're gonna, like I said, we will come live. But this woman, you need to understand one thing. I'm not replying you yet. I want you to sit down, check your antecedent before the redeclaration of Biafra, during the time Biafra was redeclared in Finland, after, and now. Check your activities one by one. Ask yourself some questions. It is easy for somebody to exonerate himself from something that he or she has committed. Pretend that she don't know about it, but deep down in your mind, you know. And that is where I am going to center my comments when we come live. Because many of us think that you are talking to plywood. Maybe you're talking to plywood or a tree. You're talking to inanimate objects. Listen, we know your contribution. We have seen what you can do. We know what you have done. We actually know who you have been in contact with, and their deal and their activities and what they can offer. On our daily matters, people like you easy to lay calls and expect everything just die like that. I know why you are doing what you're doing. Like I said, by the time we come live, we will deliberate on it very, very, very well. So make sure you like this video as well and share it, so that people will know that people will have that knowledge that we're gonna come live just because of that video, because of that statement, because you talked to me and people that joined us in our prayer program yesterday. Believe you me, it will continue. It will continue. The prayer will continue. I'm not a pastor. I'm not evangelist. I am just Sky Report. Not even anybody Not anybody from that program yesterday have approached me and said, "Can I report? You know, I'm a pastor. Let us use your platform to do prayer." No. But somebody advised me that having prayer program like this would be okay. Can you just organize it yourself so people can come in and pray? He did not tell me he's a pastor, and he is not the host. I hosted the program using my platform. I know why I'm saying this. And for some of you calling her on phone and celebrating her, Jessica, okay. I hope you know her, what she's doing, you're okay with it, right? Not, you see, difference between Nwayi Ocha and other people is that everything that she have done that is negative is visible, is in public domain, is on social media. You can lay hand on it, you can play it anytime. For some of you saying that, oh, you're supporting, oh, this one is a killing person, the other one is a killing person, the other one is kidnapping, a kidnapper, the other one is working with terrorists, the other one is a bubago. All those things you are saying, we are yet to see evidence. I don't want to sound as if I'm replying you now. Like I said, I'm going to come live and just to talk about this. Now, if you know anybody that is telling you the truth, and you know why he or she is saying the truth based on the information you already know, not from her. Like, for example, we all watched what happened in Finland. We saw how the era was declared. We heard the news that PM was taken away by the name of questioning. So it is something that you know within you. So anything that happened after, you should try to connect with what you already know for you to know if that person is saying the truth or lying to you. But when people begin to connive and begin to lie, begin to propagate negativity and blackmail and all that, it is your duty to check it very well to know that it is this way or that the other way. But when you have the so-called information and classified information about Mr. A or Mr. B, and you refuse to bring it out for other people to know that thing that you know, you don't want to bring it out, but you want people to believe you, to join you, to start calling the person's name or blackmail the person because the person is what you think or what you said he or she is, without giving us the evidence to know that thing that you know that make you to think the way you think about that particular person. It doesn't add and make any sense to me. I'm waiting for any of you to come out with the evidence and show us. Just like when people say that don't get a collect, is being paid by the Nigerian government. The Nigerian paid him. Why you said that? Tell me with that number. Then later, when you want to fall back, you started pushing it to Rose. We saw that. But if you claim that Rose is the one, you don't have contact of Rose. You don't have any evidence from Rose. You have not even reached out to Rose. But you saw his video. According to you, you picked on that and said, according to you, which I know is not true, because you started saying it before Rose said it. I believe that Rose could be the one picking it. Maybe he got his inspiration from your video, not other way. You getting inspiration from Rose. It's not that way, because remember, because of you, CRC was formed. Because of you, CRC decided to rejuvenate themselves to the surface again, acting as if they're active after cabinet dissolved them. Because you made a broadcast where you said that COS is the leader and all that. CS did not send you, the friend did not send you, you did it on your own. I'm not trying to say that your video validates CRC to surface again, no. But I'm just trying to tell you that most of the things you said in the past, you seem to have forgotten. That you said something that you cannot defend. At the end of the day, you started looking for whom you are going to push it on and lay the blame on that person. That's what you know how to do, and you know how to do it best. I give it to you. But the truth is that, concern, people still remember the genesis of what is going on, and your contribution, your involvement, what you have done cannot just be wiped off like that. People still recall, people still remember. So if you want to act as if you have a memory issue, no, you don't, because people can see through what you have done and they know what you can offer. There's nothing good that comes from you, and you know that for sure. Don't worry. Like I said, this is just a quick video that I want to make based on the fact that we are coming live today. And please keep your eyes on that. I will be right back. Make sure you like the video and share it. Keep your eyes on our live stream. Very, very important that you do so. Bye bye for now. Thank you so much.